How to type forward slash or backward slash on a keyboard. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, in order to so let's go to the Windows search icon at bottom left corner of the screen and you can simply type in on screen keyboard. Now it will appear under base match. You need to simply open it. Now this on screen keyboard will appear. Simply let's place at bottom of the screen. So if you wish to add a forward slash on any of your text, you simply need to go to your keyboard and then you need to search for the forward slash first. Simply you need to click on it and as you can see that we have successfully typed forward slash. It's the same for the backward slash as well. You can simply go to your keyboard and click on your backward slash button and it can be easily typed using your keyboard or simply your on-screen keyboard if your keyboard is not working well. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.